So hello friends, today we will learn why we need to use prepared statement instead of simple statement in Java while we are use JDBC. So first I write one code for authentication. So I write first code in using simple statement and I want to create a authentication system which asks username and password from user, and then it will check the username and password it is available on our database or not. If it is same as in our database, then we will log in, otherwise we will tell to user you are not a verified user. So here we have one database name is CRUD, okay, and here we have one table name is user, and inside user I have two rows, one is name and other is password and another thing is number. You can see this table, okay, name of this table is users. So first I establish the connection. So for establishing connection I connected my driver, which is JDBC driver here, and then I import this java.sql.star statement here, and then I create first my connection. So I use try and then connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Okay, I use MySQL. Here I started my server and my database. Okay, so I write JDBC MySQL and then localhost and my port number 3306. I cross verify this port number. Yes, this is 3306. Okay, and then my database name, which is CRUD. Okay, here I need to give password, which is root, and this is username, which is root, and this is password. Okay, and I write here my type block, and here I catch the exception, which is SQL exception E. Okay, and if any exception is present, then I print here exception E. Connection is done. First we check connection is done, otherwise it will give me error. Okay, then okay, so output is connection is done. It means connection is established between Java and MySQL database. Okay, so I want to ask name and password from user, so I create object of scanner class, and here I pass system.in because we want to take input from user. So here write I system.in. Okay, so first I asked from user to give me your name, so I write enter your name. Okay, and I create one variable which is next name. Okay, and I pass enter your password. Okay, so I first ask name from user and password from user. So I check this is working properly. Okay, so it means you ask name and password. Okay, so done. Our program is working good. Okay, and then I create statement SC, which is dot create statement. Okay, so I created this statement. I cannot see. Okay, and I have to use execute query method from S. So for executing this I need to query, so just write query. Okay, and query is select star from the database name. Database name not, but table name. Okay, so I taking select query from here. Okay, this is my query. I copied this query and I put it down here. Okay, but here I write to condition where name is and password is. Okay, and I concationize this string with passing name here and passing password here. Okay, and just only print query, because the query passing into SQL, so we need to check the sentence is correct or not. So I write my password, I write name or password. So the check query select star from here it is select. Why? Okay, I need to erase this. So I read from here select star from user where name is equal to Oxa and pass is equal to 1 2. Okay, so our query is done. Okay, and then I execute this query. So for executing I have the statement reference S and here write execute query, and inside I pass query. Okay, and I use result set R to taking result of this query, and I check if R dot next if any data is present. So I print only just you are logged in. Okay, and else maybe some wrong in details. Okay, I write this. So first I check my data which are present in table. So I have one row, the name is Akshay and password is AK. So first try this. So I write, then OK, enter your name Akshay, enter your password AK. So here it will print me message you are logged in. Okay, because after logging I have to write our data which is redirecting to home page or like this. But right now my concern is why we use prepared statement instead of this simple statement. Here I write the statement. Yes, here I use statement. Okay, so here you can see we concatenize this string for query. Okay, so if we write password like this, first I write false password for this Akshay and the password is probe. We can see here is no column present which name Akshay, and here is one row is present which name is Akshay and the password is AK. Otherwise no column are present, no row is present, and so this information is wrong. So here it write maybe some wrong in details. Okay, I and this is this query star select is print from here. Okay, when we create real world application, so we don't write we don't want to print like this, so you can comment it out. Okay, so hacker do one thing. Here enter a name of person which hacker know, but here password hacker will write first this single quotation mark, so it means string is over and then space hacker write or 1 equal to 1. Why or 1 equal to 1? Because the password is empty, it means that password is empty, or 1 equal to 1, and 1 equal to 1 always true. So if password or name may be wrong, but this is also true, and after this we need to write again password is equal to like this. Okay, and after doing this, but before we write to over again. Okay, after doing this we will enter, so you can see you are logged in. So this is a problem. Okay, user can hack your account writing this like of password, or you can use also this thing in name also, so user can enter in your database, and this is called SQL injection. So if we use statement, simple statement, so user can modify your query if user knows the database, and prediction is very easy, because here password or like this you can use, or you can use anything, so makes sense. But if we use prepared statement, so this kind of thing is not happen. I copied it because I want to use, so just prepare this statement. For prepare statement, I will not teach you how to use prepare statement, but I will teach you why to use prepare statement. So I write question mark here, here also question mark, and we need to cancel out this comma. Okay, so our prepare statement is there, and then I don't need to do this. Okay, instead of doing this, here I use prepared statement, and I want to prepare statement. Here I need to pass SQL query over, so I must write query before initializing prepare statement. Okay, so query is passed here, and then I want to execute query, but here I don't do passing query here, because I first pass here, and then I need to set this both parameter. Okay, so here we have option set string, and one question mark put name s dot set string, and second question mark put password. Okay, so I put it down here, name and password. Okay, and then it pass in result set, and it's also give me same result if user is authenticated or not. So I run this code. So enter your name Akshay, enter your password AK, which is correct details, so you are logged in. Okay, so here I enter my name Akshay, here I give wrong password, so maybe some wrong in details, this will print. Here I try SQL injection, so I write Akshay and I passed this. This is query, but I maybe that password is not copied properly, so I again write this Akshay and password. So instead password we will write column and then or 1 equal to 1 and again password is equal to like this, and here I write or. Okay, so it will work in before, but here it will not work. Yeah, sit. Here I write Akshay, here I write this or 1 equal to 1 or password is equal to this and give enter. So here that thing is give me maybe some wrong. Okay, I do one thing, I create new file, a new class, the name is prepare statement using. Okay, and then I do finish. I copied all data, Control C here. Okay, and then I forget to copy main method. Main method is very important method that we know. Okay, so here it is passed. Okay, and here we enter the password. Here I write that same password inside the command. Okay, this password we enter. Here I go to the simple statement by pressing Ctrl Z. Okay, so I think our previous code is okay. First I check this work properly or not. Okay, yes, you are logged in. Okay, this is work properly. Here I don't need to print this query. Okay, and I check the same password here. Password here I put this password. I copy this password and again I run this code. I give name and I give this. Okay, and do enter. So here it show me you are logged in, but it is not true. Nah, this is not true. And if I write code system.out.println like this, welcome plus r dot next r dot get string, and the name column is second column, so I pass 2 here because here the name number is 2. Okay, so I do here this again, enter your name which is Akshay and password is this. So here welcome Akshay, you are logged in, but we did not want like this, so we need to use this prepare statement. Now you can have clear idea about this. Say, and here I write same password, then it will give me maybe some wrong in details. Here you can see, and it not logged in. Okay, and we can enter any database. Here we have the name of people is Abhi. So here I write Abhi okay, and enter password. So I write this. So it give me again Akshay. Why? Because doing this I have to do next. Abhi, enter your password. I don't know password, so I write this. Welcome Jay. Why this give me Jay? Because here the user write or 1 equal to 1 and 1 equal to 1 satisfied all this line. So it give me all lines in the result set. Okay. So our test result set and user can log in. But if user want to log in any specific user, so user need to do one thing, that do comma, okay, for changing precedency, and we modified this thing. We can enter in particular people's account, okay, but right now I will not teach you how to do this, because this thing is enough for understanding why we use prepared statement instead of simple statement. Okay, because simple statement we can do SQL injection, but in case of prepared statement SQL injection is not allowed. So please like, subscribe my channel for getting more video like this. Thanks for watching my video.